Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equation. First, you people already familiar in 9th, 8th standard quadratic expression, right? What is quadratic expression or polynomial? Means the given expression highest degree is 2 means we said that is a quadratic. Means quad means what? Power 2. Equation means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Why? If it is a is 0 means we get linear. Highest degree is 1. That's why this expression general form is called quadratic equation where a, b, c are real number. For example, see x square plus 1 2x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here is also what? Highest power is 2. Here is also what? Highest power is 2. That's why we said this equation are quadratic because the highest power of the given equation is what? 2. That's why we recognize what is this equation? Quadratic equation. Here in this year you people discuss two types. One is factorization method and one is by using general formula quadratic equation. In factorization method you people already familiar in 8th standard, 6th standard, 7th is also there, that is splitting the middle term. Next is general quadratic equation form. Here we use the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Quad means what? 2. Then we get how many roots? 2 roots. Next we discuss about nature of the quadratic roots. Here 3 cases we study. One is if b square minus 4ac is what? Discriminant. That is called D, capital D, that is greater than 0, then we get 2 roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal means what? We get 2 roots, but both are different root. For example, one you get 0 and the one you get 5. Like one you get 3 and one you get 2. This is called unequal, different root. In this case, we use the general formula x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and the one is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Next case is if d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Equal to 0 means we get 2 roots are real and equal, means we get 2 roots are same root. That is what here, for example, we get one root is 1 means another root is also 1, and one root you get minus 2 means other one is also minus 2, like that. Here we use the general formula as we find the root as x is equal to minus b by 2a. Next move on to the case 3. That is if d equal to b square minus 4ac, we get a negative value, means what? Less than 0. Then we get 2 roots are imaginary root. That's why we said that here you people are not study square root of negative number. Higher study you people know that. That's why we directly write that we didn't get no roots in third case when it is a d is less than 0. Now we take one example for quadratic equation. Now here we solve both method. First method is what? Factorization method. Factorization method. Here I take here example is 5x square minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Here we use splitting the middle term. First we take x square coefficient and constant product of what? X square coefficient is what here? 1 and constant is 10. Find the product, what you get? 10. Product we get 10, but add and subtract we want minus 5. Here first check, 10 plus 1 is how much you get? 11. This case is not possible because we want minus 5. That's why we move on next two number. We got 2 into 5. 2 5s are what? 10. I take here. Now I will solve this problem by using factorization method. Here x square coefficient is what? 1 and constant is what? 10. Find the product splitting the middle term. 10 ones are what? 10. Here add and subtract, we get x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? Minus 7. But here add 1 plus 10 is you get 11. Not possible. Next move on another pair number, that is 2 5s are. 2 5s are what? 10. But we get add and subtract plus 10. But here x coefficient is what? Minus 7. That's why we put minus 2 minus 5. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Then you get plus 10. Now minus 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 7. Instead of minus 7, we split minus 2x and minus 5x by using splitting the middle term. Now replace, instead of minus 7x is minus 2x minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Next is grouping 2 term. From this we take common factor. Here also x, here also x, but lowest power is what? X. Then you take outside, remaining is x minus 2. Here you take common factor as minus 5. Then 5 you take outside, x minus 2 equal to 0. See here, whatever you get first factor, here also you get same. Then you take one common factor as x minus 2. Here what is remaining? X and minus 5 equal to 0. See, quadratic means how many factor you get? 2 factor. One is x minus 2 and the one is x minus 5. Now find the roots. X minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to what? Minus 2. Transfer LHS to RHS means you get positive. X equal to plus 2. That is one root. And the one is x minus 5 equal to 0. Then that is x equal to what? Minus 5 transfer LHS to RHS means you get plus 5. Therefore, the two roots are 2 and 5. Next, we solve same problem by using quadratic equation. We here first write what is the general quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is here? A equal to 1, b equal to what? Minus 7, c is what? 10. First write down whatever they given a, b, c according to given equation. Next write on general formula. What is the general formula? Here x is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now replace ABC value here. What do you get? Minus of b is minus 7 plus r minus square root of minus 7 whole square. 4 into a is 1, c is 10 divided by 2 into a is what? 1. Now minus into minus is what? Plus 7 plus r minus square root of minus 7 whole square is 7 7s are 49, 4 10s are 40 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. 7 plus r minus square root of, you get after simplification 9, root 9 value you people already know. What is the value of root 9? That is 3 divided by 2. 7 plus r minus. Now we can split two parts. That is one root is what? 7 plus 3 divided by 2 and the one is what? Plus or minus na? One is positive and the one is negative. 7 minus 3 by 2. 7 plus 3 you get 10, 10 by 2. 7 minus 3 is 4 by 2. One root is 5 and the one root is 2. See here We got two roots are 2 and 5. Thank you.